Today we're making potato soup, but with a twist. The best potato soup starts with good potatoes. The only way to know if your potato is good is by checking on the inside. These spuds are studs, so apply some SPF butter. I don't want the organs getting sunburned either, so I'm going to spray the inside. Get it, Betty. For the spuds that aren't studs, give them a pep talk. Keep your head up, champ. Being a stud is not for everyone. You'll find your purpose. Apply repair cheese as needed. I like cheese. Next, you want to add some bacon and let Karen do her thing. This process is called milking the bacon. After you milk your bacon, remove the animal. Add some breathacyzers and garlic. I'm using 3 clovers. Mix Solardo some wheat dust. I think I'm ready. Don't have to do this. It must be done. Don't do it, man. She did it. Some ugly spuds. Some chicken juice. Some cow juice. Some chili pow pow. And some salt and pepper to taste. Megan is sleeping right now, so I'm going to blend the lardo by hand. This is Megan. Some sour cream. Make it rain. Mix the lardo. Grab your studs and add some flavor juice. Some cheddar, flavor Crispies. Make it rain. Taste test. Potatoes.